Morning.
Morning.
How's jail?
So,
How's jail? Shh.
it's alright.
Like,
No, it's not a place to be, but it's alright.
why do we have jails? Why do we have jails? Why do we have them?
To sit people down, to think about what they have already done.
For people who cannot conform to society, because we got people who are just complete chaos.
Mhm.
How long you been in now? Through a month? 2 months?
Yeah, something like that.
Who do you have in your life? Do you have anyone that's willing to watch over you? Mom, dad, anyone? Who do you have?
I got my little brother Pops. You feel me? My aunt. I got in contact with them. What's his name? While I was in there, incarcerated just recently. You feel me? So yeah, I got them.
You know, your lawyer and the state have been working a deal to basically get you out, but you scare me.
Let's take a moment here. What the judge just said wasn't only about this case. It was about what lies ahead for this young man. For many individuals, especially black men, a criminal record combined with broader societal challenges can make moving forward incredibly difficult. It raises an important question. Does our justice system truly focus on rehabilitation, or does it simply make it harder to rebuild a life?
Funny, it's not, man.
It's not
You know,
bad. I'm trying to just listen to everything you say, though.
life as a black man in today's society is hard enough as it is. You know, it really, really is. You know, you already under the gun. And with all the shisa that you're picking up now, being on felony probation, you picked up these 5 cases now with us. You're literally killing your chances of ever doing something worthwhile in this life, because you're either going to end up dead or with a 25-year sentence. As a statistic, we have enough statistics, Mr. McGee. You know, how many times has he mucked up or had a DVR or a motion filed upstairs?
One motion, but he also reported November, December 16th, December 31st, and January 13th. He also fails to complete IOP, thinking for change in the law violation.
Does he have any felony convictions right now? Once you get that felony conviction, it closes so many doors. It's disgusting. It's sick. As far as I can see now, I don't think you have a felony conviction. And I hope and I pray that you do everything in your power to avoid a felony conviction, because I'm telling you, no one hires felons. If you ever want a good job, you want to get a loan for a car, hell, they're not going to give it to you. You want to get an apartment? They don't give apartments to felons, man. Does he have a felony conviction? You need to do everything in your power to avoid it. Go to WIMAC, do your shisa, get out, and show that you care, because what I see there, you don't care. And if you don't care, they're just going to send your ass to state jail with the felony conviction, and then it's done. Don't become a statistic. We're going to reset this case tomorrow because they want to talk to the complaining witness in this case. We're going to try to resolve this so that you can work on and go get on to WIMAC to better yourself. If you ever need anything, just talk to her, come back here. We can give you whatever you want. If you want a cell phone, you want a tablet, you want a place to stay, eat, money, we'll get it for you. But don't run the streets, because you're going to end up dead or with a 25-year sentence. Stop. Grow up. So we'll put them on for tomorrow. Come back, write it up, and we'll get it done.
All right, maybe.
Don't become a felon. All right.
Come back to United Mission.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, let's first talk about Mr. Guzman in custody.
Okay.
Oh,
That one that we signed, our made a request for him to turn down the lead case and all in popped up for vote.
In terms of subbing in for me or something?
I thought they were gonna give it to you, but they just really wanted
All of them?
On this one, I think I was
It
on,
was an MAJ.
right, but I've been on it for like 2 or 3 settings. So am I out? Do I need to do a sub or something? I mean,
It was a deferred, it was a deferred information.
So no, you don't have to set up.
Easy money.
well, we're trying to, fixing to. I just need to talk to it. So should I talk about it or not? No, don't talk about it? Okay, and
One less.
okay. In that case, moving on, young Mr. Quaylar here, Judge. He's got a WI, first time, no priors. The situation is he missed court last time because he moved back to Victoria. He lives,
Mr. Cuellar does what Mr. Cuellar wants to do without regard to court orders.
it looks that way, Judge, but he's been in good communication with me. I've talked to the family. His grandparents adopted him. He was actually in Houston to visit his biological father recently, and that's when this incident happened. And since then, he's actually moved back. His aunt is here. He's got family support. But I've talked to the family at length, and I've talked to him. Chief is okay with us, having a time served deal. We want to get it done today so he can move back. He's enrolled in school. He understands the severity of having this conviction, but he's got family. They have a business. He's going to be going to school and working there.
Who's here with him?
Well, I think they stepped outside, but his aunt and I think it's your grandfather is here. You want me to go get him real quick?
Please.
Jeff?
Good morning, Ms. Okori. Ma'am, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On March 5th, 2025, the officer was dispatched to a residence regarding a disturbance. The officer made contact with the complainant, who stated the defendant had assaulted him. The complainant stated they were involved in a verbal disturbance when she approached him, used a ring-style taser to tase him, and the complainant was able to knock the taser out of the defendant's hand and backed away. The complainant stated that
Now the situation becomes more complicated. There's mention of a stun gun style device, different versions of what happened, and video footage that adds new context. In court, what's seen on camera often holds more weight than what's said in words. This case reminds us, your actions, especially those caught on video, can strongly influence how a story is
attempting to use the taser on him again. The complainant held the defendant's wrist to prevent her from touching him with the taser, and the complainant advised that he had to push the defendant to get her away from him so he could get inside the residence. The officer viewed the complainant's video footage of the offense, and the complainant stated he felt pain from the incident, was in fear for his life because he believed that she had a knife. The defendant stated the complainant struck her first, which was shown to be false with the video footage, and the defendant admitted to having a taser and doing it on the complainant.
Okay. Ms. Okori, I'm going to find.
The taser never touched.
Stop. Now's not the time to fight your case. This is just a probable cause. Anything you say, they can use it against you. Now's not the time. I can give you a lawyer if you'd like. You can talk to the lawyer and go that route, but just now's not the time. You start saying stuff, they're just going to use it to prove your guilt. As it stands, I'm ordering you, ma'am, as a condition of your bond, not to have any contact with this person. I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of weapons. If you violate these conditions, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Was this a dating relationship or was this just a
No indication of dating relationship.
Okay. So ma'am, would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer?
Yes.
Okay. Deputy Echegon is going to give an application I need you to fill out for me. I need to know everything about you. I will take a look at it. We're going to craft bond conditions for you. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions, okay?
Okay.
Please.
I'm approaching off docket this morning, Your Honor, for the main matter. Which regarding the bond condition. From my understanding, 2 of his conditions were that he could not drive And the second one was that he has random drug tests and a scram. So I wanted to see if we could get the provision regarding non-driving, see if we could get that removed. He does work. He works Monday through Saturday. He has a wife and
There's a reason why we do it though, right? Either they don't have a license, something is there, there's a reason why we have it on, right? And I don't know. Alex, tell me about the case, will you?
So in this case, the officer is dispatched to a motor vehicle stopped on the road with the male and driver's seat passed out. The officer observed the vehicle stopped on the road facing the wrong side and forcing multiple vehicles to drive around. And the officer observed the motor vehicle's engine on, and the defendant sitting in the driver's seat appearing to be sleeping and passed out. And the officer observed an open container of Bacardi rum, 750 milliliters bottle.
Yeah. He's got to open up, you know? So I need some, show me proactive that you appreciate, you know, it's been 3 days though, that's not enough time. You know, some kind of proactivity that he appreciates, you know?
Yes, sir. He did let me know that he plans to start AA meetings with Veteran Affairs. I'm working on getting the documentation for that, but he did let me know that he plans to start that as well. So just come
Then
back.
just be creative and then I'm all ears.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, could we address the second thing or should I just come back all at once? The random drug test and scram, does he actually need both?
Yeah, but so we know he's not using illegal substances.
Yes, sir.
So the device only checks for alcohol,
Okay.
not for anything else. So that's why we have the randoms.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Arevalo judge, this is, he's in custody.
Told and judged. Next, we hear about a 17-year-old currently in custody. He was found with a handgun held by a strap, whether it's called a sling or holster. The issue is the same: unlawful carry. But beyond the legal definition, a bigger question remains. Should someone so young be tried as an adult when a weapon is involved? The law has its stance, but public opinion can be
The only thing?
Yes, Judge, and it's,
Let's do PC then.
On December 20th, 2024, an officer responded to a residence regarding a shooting that just occurred. The officer stated over the radio that a concerned citizen pointed out a motor vehicle involved in a possible shooting. The officer followed the motor vehicle and began calling out in the direction of the motor vehicle. A felony stop was conducted. The defendant, 17 years old, was in possession of a handgun with a sling.
With a what?
With a sling?
I think they mean like a holster, Judge. Like a detective style holster, maybe.
Really?
That's kind of what I think of when I hear sling.
I'm Googling it now.
So
No, a
they-
sling is like you hold it over.
Oh, the
your-
strap? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
But they charged, he's got an ag assault, an ag rob,
It's a
evading in a motor.
different-
Oh, that's different. Okay, I
Yes,
thought it was because
It's the
if
first one.
it's all the same criminality, then that's something, but.
It's the first one he's charged, still in custody on the others.
So the only reason, because under 21?
Yeah, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna find a problem.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
For sure. ¿Llamaste a tu abogado?
Sí.
¿Qué está pasando?
Dice que ya venía, dijo, pero no venía.
It's Espinoza. I just can't get the lawyer. Do you know who it's? Garza's office, but we haven't had anyone come. So voy a poner tu caso para el lunes. Tienes que llamarlo para ver a dónde están. Tiene que llegar aquí. Si no, vamos a tener una audiencia contra ellos, contra los abogados, ¿ok?
What about the box? Judge, what were the original bond conditions?
No
He's
alcohol.
done with me. Yeah. And how long? Oh, 7
How old is the case again? You got the docket. I don't
Yes,
even know.
133 days
It's
old.
just a normal reset. Whatever John wants.
So if we're doing a drug test, so we bring them back?
No, we'll just do a normal drug test in hopes and praise and to everyone, Allah, God, just everyone, that it's negative. If not, then
So 30 days and then pending results.
Jesus, everyone.
Got it.
Shiva,
So 30 days brings you out
Sivalinga.
April 15th or the 17th.
How about the 16th?
Required appearance for the results if they're positive.
Yeah, I think he might have just left to go do that, though. Can I sign for him? You need to get that all?
Yeah, we'll just generate it. Did I say a little more? Okay, Jen, go ahead.
Yeah,
Yeah, thanks.
sure. Take care. Thanks, Jeff. Thanks, Jeff.
Coming back, Sunday.
Could have held her in contempt. Put her in the bathroom.
She'll be on probation.
Yeah, take care.
Mr.
Thank you.
Garza. Still no Garza, so we'll roll with Monday.
Okay.
Vamos a posponerlo hasta el lunes. Llámate a tu abogado, por favor. Ok, por favor. No. Tienes que firmar. Hey, Brent. What's up, man? Go to it. We're done, I think. I mean, other than that.
Okay.